Hi there, this is Kerri from Firkins Mitsubishi here at 2900 First Street in Bradenton, Florida. I just took in this beautiful Mercury Gray 2016 Mitsubishi Outlander. This is the SE model. It's going to have your upgraded wheels. This vehicle does come equipped with Bluetooth, cruise control, backup camera, touchscreen radio. It does have your heated front seats and all your power options. As you can see, plenty of seating in the back. This is a third row vehicle. Plenty of cargo space. Awesome vehicle. You're also going to get the remainder of the factory warranty, which is a 5-year, 60,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. This vehicle only has 58,000 miles. For pricing, please call Kerri at Firkins Mitsubishi 941-748-6510.